This week, we're gonna do a peach bourbon glazed ham. Let's go. We're gonna start off with the regular store-bought ham. And this is one that's already been pre-sliced and everything. But we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna spray it down with some spray oil. Try not to spray everything on the table. Try just to get the ham if you can. If not, go ahead and spray the whole table. Do you. All right, don't let anybody tell you that you can't spray the whole table if that's what you wanna do. Next, we're gonna take your favorite barbecue rub. I'm using that Skull and Mortar OG rub, but we're gonna give it a good coating of barbecue rub here on all the visible surfaces. Now this is all we're gonna do to prep our ham. We're gonna go ahead and get our smoker up to 250 degrees. We're gonna use a cherry wood, and we're gonna throw this ham directly on the grates. Now we're going to work on our glaze. We're going to start off by putting 2 double shots of Jim Beam bourbon into a pan set at 300 degrees here on our induction burner. You can just set yours at medium high if you don't have a temperature on yours. And you can use any bourbon you want. It doesn't matter. It's totally up to your taste, your flavors. Now we're going to let the temperature of the bourbon come up a little bit. You want it to be warm as you start to put in your jelly. And we're going to use a whole jar of peach preserves. Just dump the whole jar into the pan with the bourbon. And you're just going to whisk that in because you want to break up the jelly here. You don't want to leave it in as big huge chunks. You want it to kind of break down so it can kind of dissolve into the alcohol. Now we're just going to kind of let that simmer a little bit, allow the jelly to really break down and kind of meld in with that bourbon. On top of that, now we're going to add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of our OG barbecue rub. That's a Skull and Mortar OG barbecue rub. Use whatever rub you like. And then we're actually going to dump the packet of glaze that came with the ham. We're going to dump that in here as well because it has dehydrated honey and sugar, and that's exactly what we want. We want some honey, we want some more sweet, and that's also going to help thicken up our glaze a little bit as we reduce it down. Now we're just going to let that simmer and reduce down. Now our ham has been on for about an hour and a half and the temperature is up to about 125 degrees. So we're going to go ahead and start basting it with our glaze. Once you get this ham sufficiently layered with glaze, you're going to want to let it set. So you're going to close your smoker back up, give it about 15 or 20 minutes to properly set, and then your ham should be good to go. Our glaze is set. Our internal temperature is 142 degrees. This ham is ready to eat, and it looks and smells phenomenal. There's really only one thing left to do, and that's to taste it. There's so much flavor on this ham, it's ridiculous. This is gonna make the perfect ham sandwich, guys. If you learned something today, guys, if this recipe you thought it was pretty cool, make sure you hit a like, a subscribe, leave a comment below. All that stuff helps out the channel. You can check me out at Skull and Mortar everywhere.